This is how the product looks like. If you're meeting for the first time, hi guys, I'm Chitranshi and welcome to my channel. I make beauty and skincare related videos, so if you are interested in that, please consider subscribing this channel. We are going to talk about Plum Green Tea Toner in this video. This is how the product looks like. It comes in a cardboard packaging. I've already discarded that, but the same information is available on the bottle. So this is how the bottle looks like. They have normal branding here and the ingredient list, what is their cost, price and all of that. Then this is how this bottle opens and closes, and then you can dispense the product. One highlight about the Plum Green Tea Toner packaging is that it comes with a layer of silver packaging inside the bottle. So once you have to use it, you'll obviously have to remove that silver packaging. So this way you can be sure that the product that you're receiving is new and is not used by someone. So that's one highlight. I have not seen this thing in any other toner. So this gives Plum Green Tea Toner a brownie point. Now let's take some time to talk about the ingredient list of Green Tea Plum Toner, because you should always know what's in your skincare products, and that's really important. So I am just going to talk about each and every ingredient here. The very first ingredient on this toner is aqua. So this is a water-based toner, of course, that's present in the highest concentration. The next thing is glycerin. Glycerin is a great humectant if you are not aware of. Glycerin is something basically which absorbs the moistures from surrounding and from your deeper layers and bring it to the upper layer and traps it there. So you have glycerin, which makes this product a really hydrating toner. Then the third thing which you have on ingredient list is PEG 40 hydrogenated castor oil, which again creates a protective layer on the skin's upper surface, and it basically avoids the natural moisture loss. So again, third ingredient is really hydrating. Then the fourth ingredient on this toner is of course green tea extract. Green tea is a great antioxidant for your skin. It basically fights the skin damage and it repairs it from within. It also helps in killing the bacteria and removing the dirt. When it kills the bacteria, it helps the acne-prone skin to fight the acne or breakout. Green tea extracts also prevents your skin, like it basically avoids premature aging and protects it from UV damage. It also avoids the redness and dryness on the skin surface. Green tea in this toner makes it great for the acne prone skin type. Sodium gluconate in it, which again acts as a pH regulator. It balances the pH level of your skin and again is a great humectant like glycerin. And the next thing is phenoxyethanol, which is a great agent for preventing the microbial growth on your skin surface. So again, a good point for acne prone skin type. Then we have glycolic acid on the list. Again, it is a great agent for exfoliation. If you are not aware of, you can watch different videos available on my channel. They are more in depth about the glycolic acid. Quickly telling you about glycolic acid here. It's a nice exfoliating agent which basically removes dirt and dead skin cells from the top layer of your skin and improves the product absorption by skin. Glycolic acid in this toner is present in a very low concentration because it's the second last ingredient in the list. And it's a chemical exfoliant which basically removes the dead skin cells from your skin and reveals the more smoother and younger looking skin from the surface. And yeah, one more very important thing about this toner, that this is an alcohol free toner. So alcohol is generally found in a lot of skincare products which are specially made for oily skin type because it cuts down the grease, but it's really harmful for oily skin or for any skin type in the skincare products. That's because it removes the oil in a very harsh manner. It makes your skin over dry and it makes your skin really red. So that's a no sign for sensitive skin type. Another thing is that this green tea toner has fragrances. So if you have extremely sensitive skin type, you might want to avoid it because sensitive skin types react not in a very good manner to fragrances. So you can check it yourself. If you have really sensitive skin type, you can avoid this product. But then if it is like, if your sensitive skin type does not react in a bad manner to the fragrances, I think you can go for it. And there's another good thing about green tea toner from Plum, which is that they also highlight what it does not contain. So it highlights basically a list of few harmful products which are not available in this toner or in their products. So they say what's out. Plum says no to paraben, phthalates, propylene glycol, sodium lauryl sulfate, DEA, PABA and animal derived ingredients. So all these are harmful ingredients which are commonly found in a lot of skincare products, but then Plum says no to all these ingredients. So the price of this product, basically the MRP is 390 rupees. For 200 200 ml quantity, it might sound a little expensive as compared to a lot more cheaper products available in the market, but that's because Plum is skipping all the harmful ingredients from their ingredient list in this toner. They do not have alcohol. Generally, the cheaper toners always have alcohol in it, so that's one thing you do not want on your skin. And now let's talk about how to apply this green tea toner. The application process is really simple. What you have to do is, as soon as you wash your face, just pat it dry and pour out some quantity on your hands if you want, or you can use cotton or wipes also, and then just rub it on your skin from forehead, nose, and this chin area. For combination skin type, generally this area is oily, so you need to focus more on this area, not rush into your skincare. Just let it air dry, let it sink in your skin, let it do its work, and then you are ready for your next step, which is moisturizing. Now, finally, let's talk about my take on Green Tea Plum Toner. It is a great toner, guys. I am loving this product since last 20 days. I've been using it. Before using this product, I had got some breakouts in this area. If you are able to see, I'm not really sure. I got very tiny bumps in this area and here because I applied something wrong on my skin, and then I started using this toner, and since that day I have seen these these tiny bumps diminishing. It is really nice product. Talking about the hydration of it, I am a combination skin type, so this area is oily for me, as I've already told, and this one is normal. But I use this product, it doesn't dry this area. Generally the products which are meant for oily skin type tends to dry the area which are already drier. But since I'm a combination skin type, I have used it all over my face and I have not seen any drying property of this product because it has a lot of hydrating ingredients, as we've already talked about. And for me, I have tried this toner without moisturizer. Basically, I've left just this toner on the skin and then I did not moisturize my skin, and I think it worked pretty well for me. It depends on different skin type. You can try it yourself and check out how it works for you. I feel that it's perfectly working for me, so it's a yay for this product. I am totally liking it. It has nice properties. I can confidently say that it's a great product for oily skin type, for combination skin type, for acne prone skin, because it does not dry out your skin. That's what we generally see in the products which are specially made for dry skin, sorry, for oily skin, because they're too drying. So this is not happening with this product. It has got multiple hydrating agents, then it has got green tea, so everything combined together gives you a lot of benefits. So I am in love with this product and I'm going to buy another bottle again. I'm going to link it down in description box below. You can use that link to buy it online. So guys, that was my take and my detailed review on Plum Green Tea Toner. If you have liked this video, if you found it helpful, or if you have any questions about it, let me know in the comment section below. Also, give this video a thumbs up. Basically, like this video before you leave. And if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel because you will see more interesting content coming up. And yes, this is all we have. Also, I'm available on Instagram. This is my handle, chitranshi.me. You can DM me there if you have any specific queries. I make sure that I reply to every DM and comment you guys leave. So yes, this is all we have for today. I'm going to say bye for now. I will see you again very soon with another video. Bye.